Hi guys, it's Loretta on Anything Finance. So guys, I was going through YouTube and I saw a video that claims that you can earn almost $18 per video watching TikTok videos on your phone. So guys, I decided to give it a try. Come along with me as I do so. Let's see whether it really works, whether it pays or it doesn't pay. Okay, so guys, to make the $18 per hour, we are going to be visiting at least 6 websites like shrinkme.io, TikTok, Google, Pinterest, Canva.com, and Bitly. So right now guys, let's go to shrinkme.io. Okay, now I'm going to register. I'm going to input my username, my email, and my password. And now I'm going to prove that I'm not a robot with reCAPTCHA. Et voila. Okay, right now I'm going to sign in. Okay guys, as you can see on my dashboard, I already have $1. As it appears, it seems that the site will reward you with $1 once you register. Okay, now that we're done with that, let's go to Google. Open a new tab. Okay, right now I'm going to search for trending videos. Trending TikTok videos, yeah, that's right, because according to the video it suggests that we use trending TikTok videos so that at least it can go viral. So guys, I think we are going to go with Very Demure, Very Mindful because it has a lot of views. So okay, so we are choosing this video and it's a video of Nicki's interview. Yeah, I think this is very cool, so we are going with this. So what we are going to do now is that we are going to go and copy the link. And then we are going to go back to shrinkme.io and we are going to paste the link there. Okay, so this is our link now. Right now we are going to do according to what the video says, because I'm going to do it exactly as the video suggested because I don't want to make any mistake. I want to do exactly what he did. So if it's going to pay, it will pay me. If it doesn't pay, then I know the mistake is not for me. So guys, you get it? So right now I'm going to delete from the question mark down. Okay, that done. Okay, now I'll give the video a title and I'll shorten the link. That's it, that done. Then I'm going to copy it back, copy the link, and we are going to head straight to Bitly. We're going to head straight to Bitly and we are going to paste the link to shorten it further as suggested by the video. Like I said, doing exactly what the video suggested. Right now we are on Bitly and we are going to paste the link to shorten it further. Okay, that done, we are going to copy the link. Now we are going to go to Pinterest and we are going to create a new account. It doesn't matter if you already have an existing account. So I'm going to get into it now. Okay, so I'm done with the creation of the new account. Right now, I'm going to go to create. I'm going to click on create. Then create new pin. So after this, we are going back to TikTok. And on TikTok, we are going to take a screenshot of the video we chose. Remember the video of Nikki's interview that we chose? Very demure, very mindful. We are going to take a screenshot of the video and then we are going to save it. Okay, that done. We are going to now go to Canva, and on Canva, we are going to click on create a design. Then we are going to search for Pinterest pin. You click on create blank. Then we click on upload files to upload the screenshots of the video we just saved. Okay, screenshots uploaded. Now we are now going to drag to fit. You are going to make sure that everything fits in with the blank space, with the creation board. Now we are going to click on elements. We choose arrows, click on red arrows, and we are going to choose a suitable red arrow that will call attention. Okay, this chosen. Now what we are going to do next is that we are going to click on text. We are going to add a text according to what the guy said in the video. He suggested that we add this specific text, so I'm going to add the text exactly as he suggested. So we're going to add this text: watch full video here. Okay, yeah, watch full video here. And now I'm going to make sure the text is catchy enough so that it will call attention. Okay. Okay, I think this is okay now. So right now, okay, since I'm already done, I'm going to download this as JPEG file. Okay. File downloaded. Right now, we are going to go back to Pinterest and we are going to upload the JPEG file we just made on Canva. Okay, JPEG file uploaded. Now we are going to add our title. We are going to add the description. And not anyhow description, guys, not anyhow description. We are going to add the description as the video suggested. So this is the description it suggested we add. Now we are going to go back to Bitly and copy our link again. Right now, we are going to come back to Pinterest and paste it as the link. Now, let's go back to TikTok. We're going to go back to TikTok and we are going to copy the creator's link because obviously we need to acknowledge the owner of the video. So I'm going to copy the creator's link and I'm going to come back to Pinterest and add it as the tag. I'm now going to click on create board, and I'll add our title. I'll use your title as the title of the board. Then I'll click on create. Okay, that done. Now I'm going to check if every info is okay before I click on publish. Okay, so since every info is okay, I'm now going to click on publish. Et voila, that's it. Okay guys, at this juncture I'm going to pause here and I'm going to come back a few days after. I don't know how many days I'm going to wait, but at least 4 to 5 days. I'm going to come back and give you guys updates on how much I've been paid or how much I've not been paid. But we're going to hope I get paid, okay? So I'll come back and give you guys an update. So guys, I'm back after 5 days to give you guys an update. Okay, so as you can see on my dashboard, okay, so you can see there are no extra amounts added to the $1 that I was given as a freebie by the site when I registered. So obviously this didn't work for me, but I'm not trying to refute that it worked for the original creator. So I think you guys should try it out. Okay guys, please do let me know whether you're going to try this out in the comment section below. To my returning subscribers, I say thank you very much for your love and support. And to my new subscribers, welcome to this wonderful family, and I hope you enjoy it here with us. Please don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and frenemies alike, as it will help YouTube recommend our video to more viewers out there. And thank you as you do that. And until next time, do stay financially savvy. 再见。